Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Absolute GH. Today we are going to make Noni shower gel. I will leave the link of how to prepare shower Noni juice in the description box below. So please watch to the end as I show you how it is done. Now, let's go over the ingredients. I have base, which is Texapon, sodium benzoate, which is my preservative, salt. I have nitrosol, SLS or rice powder. The nitrosol is also known as the thickening powder. I have pearl here, paralyzer, booster water. I don't have booster powder, so I'm going to use the water. If you have the water, you can also use it. This is pure honey. I have glycerin here. I have my noni. Remember how I did the noni? I have the video. I will link it to the description in the description box. This is my citric acid to balance the pH. If I realize the pH is too much, then I will just reduce it by using the citric acid. I have my vitamin E perfume. I'm going to use vanilla, and then color, and of course I'm also going to use water. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use for the noni shower gel. So let's stay back and watch. Okay, so to start with the preparation, I have scale, and I also have measuring spoons. So they have their measurements on it. So if you don't have scale, you can use the measuring spoon. I also have pH tester to test the pH of the soap or the shower gel that I'm going to make. It's very important, especially if you are at a place where they are particular with this pH and stuff. It's very important. And what I also do is I make sure I write everything down on a sheet of paper so that I know I will not miss anything when I'm starting with the preparation. So I'm going to use 300 grams of Texapon, which is base. So I have 50 grams here, and this is 250. So I'll just pour it here, and then salt 150 grams. I'm going to pour it here. I also have SLS. The SLS is 50 grams. The nitrosol powder or thickening powder. The thickening powder too is 20 grams. And then I have my sodium benzoate. For the sodium benzoate, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of sodium benzoate. The 2 tablespoons I think is too much. Next time, we just use one. The 2 is too much. So with this, I'm going to start with my preparation. If you've watched my other shower gels, I've told you you can mix all your ingredients first with water before you start using it. That one, it wouldn't last long to settle. But if you have time, because this one I will just leave it until in the evening, then just fill my bottles. The reason why I always wear gloves is that I'm always using chemicals to do my work. So I don't want to leave my hands bare because I'm going to do this work for a very long time. And when I dip my hands or just touch chemicals anyhow, it will end up affecting me in the near future. Though shower gel and liquid soap chemicals are not strong, but I don't leave my hands bare with it. I always try to wear something to cover myself so that I don't touch too much of chemicals. So I've mixed it a little. I'm now going to start adding water to it. The water should be added bit by bit and then stir. So with this thickness, I'll stop adding water and then pour in my noni. I have plenty noni. I make a lot for my shower gels. So I'll just go ahead and then add the noni to it. Because I want to know the consistency or the thickness. So I added 500 ml of noni. Noni has its own color. So with this, if you want to add color, you can add chocolate brown color to it. And when I realize it's too thick, I can still add more water to it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and then add my other liquids. I have my booster water here. I'm going to use 20 ml. This is 15 ml, so I will measure one and then a little bit of it. So 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is 15 ml. So I have my glycerin. Twenty ml. I have pearl here. You can decide to mix or before you add, or you can add. It wouldn't spoil anything. So the pearl too, I'm going to use 40 ml. So I'll measure two of this and almost full, to bring out the shining feeling. I have honey. The honey too, I'm going to use 40 ml. This is pure honey. I got it from a very village, a deep village somewhere. It's very pure. So you go ahead and stir everything together. Noni has some special smell. The smell is so different. How I wish I have Noni essential oil so that I could use it for my shower gel, but I don't have Noni essential oil. And the only perfume, the only perfume I have that I think I can add is vanilla. So I'm going to add vanilla perfume to it. It already smells good. So now I have everything in it. Okay, I forgot my vitamin E. I have vitamin E here, 10 ml. This is 7.5. So like I said, it's always good to list everything, every item down, so that you know whether everything has gone in. So at this point, I will just allow it to settle first and see what I can do. When I take the pH and it's not up to like 7.5 or 8, then I will either add citric acid or add something of more alkaline something, or alkaline chemical to it. Normally SLS is an alkaline chemical. SLS is alkaline, which is the rice powder. So if the pH becomes too acidic, then I'll have to add a little bit of SLS, to boost the pH. I'm going to add my perfume, which is the vanilla. I've mixed with some secret ingredients. That one I will not tell you people. No. Okay, so now I'm done with it. I will just leave it to settle, so that, and then know the thickness. If I realize it's too thick, at the end of the day, if it's too thick, I'll add more water. If it's not too thick, I will leave it like that. So in the evening, I will show you the end results.